If you're a woman who is over 40 and you are trying to figure out how to turn your experience into income, this video is for you because I hear it all the time. When I have no idea where to start, I just don't have the time right now. Of course, I want to earn more money, but my life already feels so full and so overwhelming. I get it. I really, really get it. But let me tell you something that I have had to learn the absolute hard way. You don't need more money. You don't need more time. You need a strategy that's built for the life that you're leading right now. So let's talk about what that actually looks like. How to get started even when you're feeling stuck. In midlife, it's so easy for us to feel like we need a blank slate or a fresh start whenever we're contemplating doing something new. But here is the honest truth. Nobody starts with a clean slate. We've got responsibilities, we've got aging parents, we've got college kids or even smaller kids at home, we've got jobs, bills, health journeys. So if you're waiting for some free time or some financial cushion before you actually get started, you're probably going to be waiting for quite some time. Like I said before, it's not the lack of time or the lack of money that's the problem. It's the lack of alignment. Figuring out a way to earn that not only fits your life, your energy, and also the season that you're in. Because most of the start your business advice that I'm hearing out here on the internet assumes that you have 8 full hours in your day to post, pitch, and produce. Not me. They're only focused on what you're doing with your laptop, not what's going on in your life. You've raised families, you've navigated careers, held it together through job changes, caregiving, loss, growth, and everything in between. But make no mistake, that's not a barrier. That, my friend, is your blueprint. You don't need to become someone new to actually start earning. You just need to see how what you already have can be transformed into something brand new. So, if you're someone who's watching this and you're thinking, yeah, okay, Quinn, where do I actually start? What actually works when your life feels overwhelming? Let me give you a simple 3 step way forward. Step one is you've got to get really clear on one problem that you have solved. Do not try to build a business overnight because it's not going to work. You're only going to frustrate yourself. So start with this very simple step and just write this down. I want to help blank with blank. As an example, it could be something like I want to help busy caregivers get organized. I want to help teachers transition to new careers. I want to help women over 40 rediscover their own voice through storytelling. You see, it's not about inventing something from scratch. You're sharing what you already know in a very focused way. Step two is you've got to choose a low lift starting point. See, this is where a lot of people get stuck. They try to go too big too quick. Here are 3 low lift income streams that don't require a huge audience, a lot of tech, or a lot of your time. Write a simple digital guide and create it in Google Docs. It doesn't have to be super fancy, it just has to be valuable and helpful. Teach during a live Zoom workshop. You can charge $25 to $50 just so long as the information that you're teaching is helpful and targeted. You can create a bundled affiliate link list. Just gather all of the affiliate links that you use and that you enjoy and put together a mini resource list. These aren't just side hustles, they're stepping stones that fit into your real life and actually generate income. Step three, focus on one clear result. When you create something, you've got to ask yourself first and foremost, what is the result that someone is going to get? How are they going to be transformed by this solution that I'm proposing? That's how you stand out, not with logos or websites, but with clarity and care. If you do these 3 things, problem, product, and result, you are putting yourself in an excellent position to win. So let's talk a little bit about what doesn't work. Trying to do what everybody else is doing on Instagram, building a massive course before you even ask people if this is something that they want or need, and waiting until life slows down so you can start. Listen, you don't need a million followers, you don't need to be tech savvy, and you don't need permission. You just need a strategy that honors your season. That's what I call income that fits. And when you stop chasing hustle and start choosing alignment, that's when the money starts showing up for the right reason. And if you are following along in this video and you're nodding to yourself, okay, Quinn, that sounds good, but I need a little bit more help, girl, then I would like to invite you to come inside my new membership community. It's absolutely free and it's called More Life in Midlife. And it's not just a membership, it's what I like to call Income Diversity University for Women Over 40. And inside, you're going to find step by step roadmaps that will help you identify and then create your very first or your very next income stream. We have a full curriculum designed for women like you. And we also keep in mind that you have a very busy life right now. So it's self paced and a community of supportive, brilliant women who are on this journey right alongside you. This isn't a program that demands your whole life. This is a program that fits inside of it. So we're going to end this video in the exact same place where it started. You don't need more time. You don't need more money. You need a clear path that fits your life, one that starts exactly where you are right now. So drop a comment and tell me what's one problem that you have solved that can help someone else. And don't forget to click the link below to get your midlife monetization map so that you can figure out which income stream fits the type of lifestyle that you're living right now. And if you're ready to go deeper, join me inside More Life in Midlife so that we can get the next part of your journey started today. Sis, you have done hard things. Now it's time for you to do your thing. If this video resonated with you, please hit that like button, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.